My name is Francisco Picasso. I'm the engineer in agriculture for River Plate. I'm in charge of keeping the grounds for the first team of River. We were required to protect the ground of the main team before the 3 concerts that we're going to have. So the idea is to protect where the people are going to stand with this product of Everbase. The requirements that we have to meet are especially the uniformity of the soil, so the ball can roll all over uniformly, and especially also the aesthetics of the field. So we need to keep uniformity on the soil and green grass especially.
My name is Nick. I am the head of engineering with Versare, and I'm here in Buenos Aires at historic River Plate Stadium. They had just installed a new field system, a new pitch at the stadium, and they needed a turf protection product. The promotional partner, as well as the football club, have decided to go with our product because of its ease of installation, because it will allow for respiration of the grass. The system has holes that allow the grass to continue to respirate, allows water to pass through, and allows the turf underneath to thrive. Is that our product offers expansion joints. So at an outdoor stadium like this, you obviously have cool nights this time of year in Buenos Aires, hot days, the sun shining on the tile will cause it to expand. And those expansion joints allow for the field protection system to contract and expand accordingly, and you won't see buckling. Following the event on Friday evening, the tiles will be removed to allow a football game to be played on Wednesday, and then will be reinstalled the following week for a series of concerts that are going to last 8 days.
The initial impression that we have with this product already has been quite well. It's a fast pace cover. They've been working quite fast. I would like to thank the team that came with Versare to work with us. They helped us in River and the team of the producers so we can go a bit faster, always maintaining the protection of the pitch.
We're very excited about the installation and excited to continue to work with both the production company and the club in the future.